Shalom Ubiracha! Welcome everybody, you're the luckiest person in the world right now because you're about to get the hacks of how to go to the beach and have an even better time than you ever had before. Number one, you take a GoPro with you to the beach, attach the GoPro to the neck of a seagull, then release the seagull and you're going to have the most unbelievable footage you ever saw. You are going to feel like a seagull. Who is having more fun? The person who can only see around him at the beach, or the person, or seagull, who can see the entire beach and everybody on it. Unbelievable. Sammy, what can I do? I'm never going to get my camera back. The seagull will never bring it back. Stupid, I'm going to tell you right now. You have to bring with you a little herring. If you bring with you a little herring, the seagull cannot resist the smell of the herring, will come right down to you and bring you back your camera. In fact, you can get a seagull to do almost anything for herring. So if you need anytime GoPro to be an aerial shot of anything, your house, your barbecue, your wife, you get the seagull to do it. I know one idiot friend of mine spent $3,000 to buy a drone from Radio Shack. This guy is unbelievable stupid. Because I told him all you need is the seagull for free. The price of herring is $2 for an entire can of herring. You can get a seagull to work for a month for this. Number two life hack for the beach. Some people saying, I have so much jewelry, Sammy. What's going to happen with my jewelry? I don't want to bring it in the water because a shark can bite my hand off or something. I lose my ring, my necklace. What am I going to do? You're going to find a little bit of dog on the floor. Anywhere. You don't have to own a dog. You just find a little on the ground. You bring some dog shit to the beach. You put your jewelry in the dog shit. Boom, nobody ever going to look in the dog shit. You can be Alcatraz, the worst criminal, and you're not going to look inside dog shit for jewelry. Number three of life hack. People say to me, Sammy, what do I do with my cell phone? I have a cell phone. What can I put my cell phone? I want to go to the water. This one is the very, very best idea. It's a secret, but I'm putting it out on the internet. No more a secret. But you want to hear it right now. A salami sandwich. What? The salami sandwich, Sammy? What are you talking about? Salami sandwich, you heard me. I don't understand. Pay attention and you're going to understand right now. You take your cell phone and you put it inside the salami sandwich. Why will I do this? Because not only will nobody look for a cell phone in a salami sandwich because it's crazy, but every time you're going to get a phone call for the entire week, you pick up your phone. Hello? You smell like a salami sandwich. It's going to bring back a great memory from you. It's called scent memory. You're going to say, I love salami sandwich. I love the time I went to the beach. All of a sudden you're in the office, but you feel like you're mentally in the beach. Also, it's nice to have a nice smell. Oh, hold on a minute. The credit card collector is calling. I don't want to take this call. Hey, what do you... Oh, it smells like salami. Every phone call is a good phone call. Not only that, your cell phone is dry and safe and no problem. I can't even believe I told you this today. You're very lucky. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. This is Sammy with the Beach Life Hack. Goodbye.